Hi, I'm Archie.
I'm Jeff.
I'm Dom. And we want to swim in a clean river right here in New York. New York is an incredible place to live, and you can do almost anything here, but you definitely can't swim in its rivers. For a city surrounded by water, one of the most incredible cities in the world, it seemed a little bit ridiculous that you actually had to leave the city in order to swim in clean, natural, and swimmable water. It started as a simple idea. Instead of trying to clean the entire river, what if you started by just cleaning a small piece of it? And what if you could change how New Yorkers see the rivers by giving them a chance to swim in it?
So we proposed Plus Pool, a floating pool for everybody that would act kind of like a giant Brita filter, big enough to clean 500,000 gallons of water every single day and allowing New Yorkers to swim in their own backyard. Over the last 3 years, Plus Pool has grown into something that's way bigger than the three of us and into something that's overwhelmingly possible.
Since we launched the project, we've been able to build up a team of the world's leading engineering firms, design offices, architectural and environmental organizations, and meet with pretty much every city, state, public, and private agency that has a stake on the water. But most importantly, we're able to build up a network of thousands of people all over the world who believe in this as much as we do.
Thanks to everyone on Kickstarter a couple summers ago, we were able to launch an ambitious capital project on the site and raise money to do our first series of filtration tests. The support of the backers made it possible to show, with real data, that Plus Pool is starting to work.
But here's where this project gets really crazy. What if everybody could actually own a piece of this pool? What if we broke the project down into bite-sized pieces so everybody could make a tangible and measurable impact on building Plus Pool? This is a Plus Pool tile. It's not only a way you can put your mark on the world's first floating filtering pool, but it's a way you can be a part of building an iconic piece of New York for everybody. Buy one for yourself, buy one for your mom, or your kid, or your pet, or your soccer team. Put your name on it, put your girlfriend's name on it, your favorite Gucci Mane quote, put a drawing on it, or a picture of your dog. Buy a tile as a gift for the girl at the coffee shop or for your favorite burrito guy. The point is, it's your tile and it's your pool.
And when you buy a tile during these 30 days on Kickstarter, we're also giving out first dibs. The week before Plus Pool opens to the general public, we'll open it just for you. It'll be a week reserved for the people that made this pool happen before anyone else gets to swim in it, and it's all yours.
If every single one of these is bought, the entire construction of this project will be funded from front to back, making it probably the largest crowd-funded civic project the world has ever seen. But right now, if we can sell the first 1,400 of these things, we'll be able to build a Plus Pool float lab this summer in the East River. The lab will be a small, plus-shaped, weird kind of science lab floating out in the river, testing every single one of the filtration materials and methods in real river conditions.
We'll learn more about the water quality of the East River than anyone ever has, and it'll bring us monumentally closer to swimming in that river.
It'll not only help solve the design and engineering of the filtration system, it'll actually be the first time that New Yorkers get to see that it's possible to clean these rivers.
And by owning a piece of New York, you make it possible for everybody to swim in a clean river. Let's build Plus Pool together right here on Kickstarter, tile by tile. Thanks, and see you this summer.